Chapter 6, AED for Children and Infants. Welcome to the AED steps for children and infants. In this video, we will discuss how to use an AED for children and infants. An AED, or automated external defibrillator, is a device that recognizes ventricular fibrillation and other dysrhythmias and delivers an electric shock at the right time. The AED is nearly foolproof and will not allow you to make a mistake. It is safe for anyone to use. Now, let's review the AED steps. First, retrieve an AED. Open it and turn it on. Next, expose the individual's chest, dry it, and remove any medication patches. Then, open the pediatric AED pads. Peel off the backing and check for a pacemaker or a defibrillator. Make sure the AED pads do not touch each other. To ensure that they don't, it may be necessary to place one pad on the front of the chest and the other pad on the back of the infant. Adult pads may be used if pediatric pads are unavailable. Apply the upper chest pad above the breast and lower left chest pad below the armpit. Ensure that the wires are attached to the AED box. Then, clear the individual, stop CPR, and instruct others not to touch the injured or the ill individual. The AED will analyze the rhythm. If the AED reads to check electrodes, then ensure that the chest pads are making good contact. If the message reads shock, then clear the individual and press and hold the shock button until the AED delivers the shock. Resume CPR for 2 minutes after the shock. Repeat the steps if necessary. This concludes our lesson on AED for children and infants. Next, we will review mouth-to-mask rescue breathing.